Hi guys, today's video is going to be on how to cover your dark circles, acne marks and pigmentation on your face to achieve a very nice flawless makeup finish. So if you want to know how I achieve my flawless base and how I hide my dark circles and pigmentation on the face, then please do continue watching. But before that, make sure to subscribe for more such amazing beauty content. So I'm going to begin with the most eligiblur smoothing primer, and applying a primer is very essential when it comes to achieving a flawless base. And I usually go for pore filling primers like this one, which helps in minimizing the look of open pores on my face, since I do have a lot of them, and also it makes your makeup last very long. So it is important that you prep your face very well before going in with any base products. Then to color correct, I'm going to use an orange matte eyeshadow. That's right. And orange eyeshadow really works amazing. I've been doing this from the beginning of my makeup career and it works like magic. So I'm going to use that to hide the dark circles, the hyperpigmentation and the spots on my face. So I'm concentrating the eyeshadow only on those areas and I'm not going to apply it everywhere. So I'm just being very precise while I apply the orange eyeshadow on my face. You can definitely go ahead and orange color corrector as well if you have one, but this one also works amazing on me. For foundation, I'm taking the Drop the Base foundation and I'm going to use a beauty sponge to blend in the foundation. So I'm applying very little amount of the foundation on the main areas of my face and I'm going to use dabbing motion to blend the foundation instead of dragging it. And since you have created a nice orange tint on your face for color correction, never drag your foundation on your face, otherwise it will disrupt the layer underneath and your makeup won't look very nice. To achieve a flawless base, you always have to dab your base products to get that really nice blended finish. And then I'm going to go over with another layer of foundation only on the areas where I feel like I need some more coverage, that is on the cheeks and around my mouth, to hide any pigmentation there. Once that is done, I'm going to take the Magic Wand Concealer in the shade Corn Panna to conceal and highlight underneath my eyes. So I'm just applying a tiniest amount on the inner corners of my eyes and the outer corners of my eyes, since this concealer is very high in coverage, so a little bit goes a long way. Also, I'm highlighting the center of the forehead, the bridge of the nose, my cupid's bow and my chin. And then I went ahead with a concealer blending brush and remembering to dab the product instead of dragging it for a nice flawless base to cover your pigmentation on the face. And whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to apply it on top of the eyelids as well to make the eyelids look more smooth and evened out as well. So this is how my face looks before powdering it down. And then I'm going to take the Set the Tone tinted powder in the shade Corn Panna, and I'm taking a generous amount of the powder on the sponge that comes along with the packaging to press and lock the under eye region in place. And then I'm going to go over with a compact powder in the shade Americano to add some more coverage as well as to mattify my face. And this is very important if you have acne prone or any bumps on your skin. A compact powder with a little bit of coverage helps in really blurring out those imperfections. So I'm just dabbing the compact powder gently onto the cheek area to make my face look more poreless and flawless. And this is how it looks once it is powdered down. Then I'm gonna add some definition to the face. So I'm taking a matte contouring powder. Again, this is very important if you have acne on your cheek. A matte product is not gonna accentuate those imperfections. So I'm choosing a matte blush and a matte contour to define the face. Again, I went ahead with a matte blusher from the same palette to add a flush of color to my cheeks. And now comes the highlighting, for which I'm not going to apply the highlighter all the way to the inner cheek area, but I'm going to concentrate it right on top of the cheekbone and as well as the temples. I'm not going to bring it too much onto the cheek because that is where you have those textures and imperfections. I also highlighted the cupid's bow and my chin, and I'm going to finish off the look by adding some mascara and a nice bright lipstick. Once that is done, it is very important to lock your makeup in place to make it stay for a longer period of time. For that, I'm using the Grand Finale Matte Setting Spray. Again, I'm choosing a matte finish setting spray so that the texture on the skin is not highlighted. So that is how the makeup looks once the imperfections on the face, such as the dark circles, pigmentation, and the acne marks, are covered properly using the right techniques to achieve a nice, even, flawless base. And here you can see the before and after, that how well the makeup technique has covered my hyperpigmentation on the face so well and so flawlessly. So I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more such amazing beauty content, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.